18 years old Stanner, studying at University of Santo Tomas taking up drugs. And I do believe, ladies and gentlemen, ang taong namamadali nagtatae. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 1. And now, let's welcome candidate number 2, the lookalike of Miss Blinky Recto. Wow. I believe that love is the essence of life because as wonderful feeling can be found in the hearts of every man. From the simplest to the highest ground of man on earth, so unfathomable yet so real. A pleasant evening, ladies and gentlemen. Standing in front of you is an 80-year-old Maria Blinky Recto Pereira, studying at the Far Eastern University, taking up aeronautics, major in dynamics, minor in aerobics. At naniniwala po ako sa kasabihang ang may tagasang muso umongo. Thank you. Thanks so much, candidate number 2, Miss Blinky Recto. And now, let's welcome candidate number 3. Okay, candidate number 3, Miss Hong Kong. Candidate number 3 is so proud. Backyard full of Miss Western and Walker selling the former British colony, Hong Kong. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the last but definitely not the least candidate number 4. Nagmula ba po sa kabilang buhay, Miss Papua New Guinea. Wow! Gagaganyan talaga makita pa akong rewind. Sige na, diretso. Nakasal mo kasi yung boses mo. Ano, pakilala ka na. Sige na. Magpakilala ka, diretso lang. Sige na. Hindi ka magano talaga. Kaya baka ganyan, baka kinakabahan ka. Ako nga ako. Check. O, hindi naman. Oh. Ganun talaga. Nakasal ka na? Punta ka, hindi. So, okay naman ha. Bakit? Sound. Bakit ganyan ka? Ikaw ba ang pinadala ng planetang Yeko? Sound.
Sound. Sound. Ay, sound.
Oh. Ikaw, sabihin mo nga, sabihin mo.